Welcome to Creative Momentum's Make It Mean It, guided meditation for drafting exquisite art of any genre in 10 minutes. In this meditation, we're going to channel the Seven of Fire card, also known as the Seven of Wands. Let's start by sitting or standing quietly for a moment. Close your eyes if you like. Push all the air out of your lungs. Pause at the bottom of your breath. And take a deep breath in. Breathe deeply a couple more times. And notice your courage. Where does courage live in your body right now? You're welcome to keep your eyes closed for the rest of this meditation. Or if you choose to write, sketch, or improvise, go ahead and open your eyes. And let's all begin the make it part of our meditation, where we let our associative mind play around. You can respond to the prompts as yourself or as a character, and you can take the prompts as literally or imaginatively as you like. Experience your friendship with the ground you stand on. What are you up against? What is being shouted at you? Look at the mouth that is shouting. What is its shape, its texture? Look deeper into the mouth. Where does this portal take you? On the other side, what is the time of day? What is the flavor of the air? How does light fall on something you believe in? Describe again your friendship with the ground you stand on. This completes the make it part of our meditation, and now we'll begin mean it. In this next stage of the creative process, we look back at what we just envisioned, explored, or created, and we identify the resonant elements that arose. So look at what you've created or think back over what you imagined and notice any repeating words, images, as well as anything surprising. You can pause the recording to do that and come back as soon as you've noted the repetitions and surprises. Now, notice if any of the following themes or symbols from the Seven of Wands or Seven of Fire tarot card have shown up in what you envisioned or created. And see if these themes or symbols help you understand your exploration so that you can further articulate the questions you're asking or the story you're telling. The Seven of Wands is a card of courage, self defense, and protecting what matters to you. The central figure stands on higher ground than their opponents, representing the moral high ground. The blue sky represents clarity of conscience. The color green represents growth. Settle into this meaning you've made. See how these questions, this story, this mystery feels in your body. And just breathe into your present experience. As you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for showing up to your creativity and to your inner voice. It really does make a difference in how you show up in the world when you're connected with yourself. And I wish you happy creating.